Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Myntri katanat kakot kakya hakasni balang ula Pyllait Paidbah yak Intensified IEC campaign arhajar arpuhendiu kabalong shibenta Ïakhun penduna yak jingdon kibayo yak Jingpang HIV hakajila. Yakani program la penong de katanat kakot kakya ka sarkar jila hakajin trelang ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society but yakani ka Jingpli Paidbah la penong halidikin college Shillong. Hakani kasngi lawan ban shibenta Myntri katanat kakot kakya uba welan miki shila kumukongsan haba ajingkren ula banjur ban penslur yaki khun samla bakin let ban test yalade hagi chaka ban test bat ong bakani kanong shibenta ban telakam yaka jing sapriang uknyang Jingpang HIV. Nalor Myntri kakot kakya lawan shibenta lang Dr. Joram Beda IAS Commissioner and Secretary Health and Family Welfare jong ka sarkar jila ka Dr. KL Yaubor Project Director jong ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society but Joint Director jong ka DHS ka Dr. LW Mirthong APD MACS ka Principal jong ka Lidikin College ka Dr. Anjali M Shangplyang Kikhna School but Kikhna College jong ka Lidikin College but ka Saint Edmund College.
Moment I stand here to launch this intensified IEC campaign of 2026 for HIV, AIDS and STI awareness campaign. So with high hope and request to each and everyone to please be a part, be an ambassador. With this word, I declare that the intensified IEC campaign 2026 declare launch.
So these COVID book strips will be printed on a larger scale, which will be disseminated to all the schools.
It's best for me to tell you that HIV is no longer a death sentence in today's time. I think I better should start with that, because we have been talking so much about discrimination. Why it's so difficult to fight HIV? It's because of the discrimination the people are facing. That is why it's very important that the people should be aware, especially you young people should speak about it, should spread awareness. And I think MAX or HIV is the only disease where we spend more in spreading awareness. Like you have today, you can see here we are launching the Intensified. Otherwise, we always have this IEC program. IEC means Information, Education, Communication. We always have this awareness program where we try to make the people aware that HIV is no longer a death sentence. You can live a dignified life, and the treatment is free of cost. You can come to the ART center where the government is giving free medicine to all the people living with HIV. But still, because people are not coming forward, they are not talking about it, So that's why many people are still afraid to come and get themselves treated. So that's why I am very happy that today we are launching this Intensified IEC campaign of this 2026, and I am particularly pleased that the campaign is being launched on this International Youth Day. The theme of today's program is very important because the fight against HIV is ultimately a fight for knowledge, responsibility, dignity, and the health of our future generation. As the Health Minister of Meghalaya, I want to make one thing very clear today. The government of Meghalaya remains firmly committed to strengthening our response to the HIV and ensuring that no person is left behind. Meghalaya has made important progress in its HIV response, but we must also recognize the responsibility before us. We have more than 90,000 people living with HIV registered in our state. These are not simply statistics. Behind every number is a person, a family, and a story. Our responsibility is to ensure that these individuals have access to treatment, care, support, and above all, dignity. We must also ensure that people who may be at risk are not afraid to come forward for testing and counseling. And this is where awareness becomes extreme about HIV. Some are afraid to get tested. Some do not know where to seek help. And unfortunately, some people living with HIV continue to experience stigma and discrimination. We must change this. HIV should never be a source of shame. Seeking an HIV test should never be a source of fear, and living with HIV should never mean losing one's dignity. This is why I welcome the Intensified IEC campaign being undertaken by MAX. Over the next 2 months, this campaign will take HIV and STI awareness much deeper into our communities. Over the next 2 months, this campaign will take HIV and STI awareness and reach almost 1,026 villages, 300 schools, and 85 colleges, conduct 3,000 awareness sessions in schools, reach 15,000 households, organize 16 special booths to take the message to the public. This number demonstrates the scale of our ambition. But I want to emphasize that government will not measure the success of this campaign only by numbers. We must measure success by the change we create. If a young person learns how to prevent HIV, that is a success. If someone decides to get tested because of this campaign, that is a success. If a person living with HIV receives support rather than discrimination, that is a success. If a family understands that HIV cannot be spread through ordinary social contact, that is a success. And if our communities become more open, informed, and compassionate, that is the success we are looking for. My message to our young people is especially important. You are not only the audience of this campaign, you are its partner. I encourage our young people to ask questions, seek correct information, and reject myth and misinformation. I encourage our schools and colleges to create safe spaces where young people can discuss HIV, sexual health, and prevention without fear or embarrassment. Prevention begins with knowledge, and knowledge must reach our young people before misinformation does. My message to the people of Meghalaya is also very simple. Let us not judge people living with HIV. Let us support them. Let us encourage testing. Let us encourage treatment. And let us create community where a person can say, I need help, without being afraid of discrimination. Realizing the seriousness of this, the Meghalaya state government have passed the 5 years plan, which the cabinet have already approved, where in this 5 years, we will be working on a mission mode, where we will be increasing the ART center, where the people living with HIV can, the treatment will be easily accessible to all the people who need help. And also at the same time, through this platform, I would like once again to urge my young friends in school and especially in colleges, where we have the Red Ribbon Club. As we all know that we have a fund which we give to different Red Ribbon Club. And if you need more fund, you can always approach Max, where if you need to organize any awareness program or any exposure trip and other, you can always approach the Max and we can always support you. Because like I said, this Max, it is not only the responsibility of Max, but it is the responsibility of all of us. So with these few words, once again, through this, I declare that this intensified IEC campaign of 2026 is declared launched today. Thank you, Mithila. Jai Hind.